Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the Acer laptop touchpad is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first one is to update the touchpad driver. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar. Open the device manager. Now expand the list of mice and other pointing devices. Right click and update each and every driver that is available. Next one is to update Windows. Right click on the start button, select settings. Go to Windows Update, click on check for updates. The next one is to check the touchpad button. Okay, so many keyboards these days have a function key. It can be any of the function keys. Just check for touchpad symbol above that. Try pressing it. If it doesn't work, press it along with the function key, which is near the Windows key on your system. And if that doesn't work either, then straight away take the system to a hardware technician. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.